Hello everyone, once again welcome. Today we will discuss about the brickwork in foundation. So here are some materials which are used in making the wall of brick in foundation. So material brick, cement and sand will be used and will be same. So we will now discuss for 10 cubic meter brick. Brick Brick used in making a wall of 10 cubic meters 5000 because for making the 1 cubic meter of wall 1 cubic meter of wall we need 500 bricks. So for making 10 cubic meter of wall we need 5000 bricks. And for finding out the quantity of cement we will divide the cement quantity by for finding out the cement quantity we will divide by 3, means the ratio of cement and sand 3 divided by ratio of cement and sand 3 upon 7, which is equal to 0.43 cubic meter. So cement quantity comes out to be 0.43 cubic meter. We will multiply by it by 30, so we will get the amount of bags, which is 13 bags. 13 bags will be used in making the 10 cubic meter wall. So we find 0.43 cubic meter of cement is used in making 10 cubic meter wall. So we will multiply with 30, so we get 13 bags. Now for sand we have taken a ratio of 1:6, means cement is 1 part and sand is 6 part. So we will multiply the amount of cement by 6, so we will get the sand amount, it is 2.6. So the rate of brick is rupees 3 per brick, 3000 for per 1000 bricks, so rupees 3 for per brick. And for cement 300 per bag and 1675 rupees for per cubic meter of sand. So we got these values as 15,000, 3900, 4355. Now for labor, head mason is half, means for half day. Mason 7 will be required mason, because one mason can do approx 1.25 cubic meter of work, 1.25 cubic meter of work per day. So for 10 cubic meter we will need approx 7 mason, so we can conclude it as 7. And for 7 labor also required for giving the bricks, coolie, for taking the bricks and all these, for mixing all these, mixing the mortar, making mortar, and bhisti for watering, means mixing the water. And additional charge tools and plants are added as 500 lump sum, like for finishing work some materials are required, it is taken as 500. So half day 450 rupees per day, so 225 for half day, 2800 for machine cost, labor 1750, 1400 for coolie, and bhisti 400, and lump sum for 500. We add all these quantities, so we got as 30,330. And now 1.5% for water charges 454.95 rupees, and 10% contractor profit 3333, sorry 3033. So we will add all these quantities, so we get grand total as 33,817.95 rupees. So we will conclude it as 33,820. So this is the estimate for brickwork and foundation. Hope that you understand it. Please, if you have any queries you can post it on YouTube. And thank you, and subscribe my channel and share the videos. Thank you, have a nice day.